Eastern Washington, we are low in water, but that's okay if you want to grow grapes. Grapes are a really drought-tolerant crop, and they're delicious. Growing grapes is really easy to do here. They don't require a ton of water. They just need some well-draining soil. And the nice thing about Eastern Washington in particular is that we're really, really hot in the summer, which grapes love. You can grow grapes in the entire state, but here they're particularly happy. Grapes require 150 days of hot summer heat to produce well. In Eastern Washington, we have about 120 to 150. So to maximize that hot soil, you want to make sure that you're planting your grape in a place that gets a lot of southern exposure and the soil stays really warm. Grapes, as you can see, send off tons of vines. The one thing that you have to watch out for is make sure that your grapes have a lot of support and they're not in a windy area, because surprisingly, these vines are really easy to snap off. So if this catches a wind, these guys will just fall down, which is no fun. So make sure that you've got them secured and that they have a place to sit. Your grape's not going to set fruit for the first few years, but after it is established and it is setting fruit, in about 5 or 6 years, it's going to be beautifully productive for 50 to 100 years, which is wild to think about. So you want to make sure that you're starting it off on its best foot forward so you'll have fruit for years to come. The wonderful thing about having a grape in your own backyard is it provides a beautiful green backdrop to your garden and you get delicious fruit.